In this lecture, we're going to install Anaconda, know how to install libraries, and later we just run Jupyter Notebook. So in order to install Anaconda, we simply write Anaconda install, and our case is Windows, so our system is Windows. We take this Anaconda documentation, and you can see here the Anaconda library explaining to you, or Anaconda website explaining to you how to install Anaconda package. So here we need to download the package first. We go here and download it, and you can see now it is actually installing or downloading the Anaconda package, and later we can install it. Now we have to know something that, of course, after it is done, we will install a library, and there are many methods to do it. Now, library packages, we can use pip install. This is the most common. However, we can use conda also, conda install whatever the package is. However, for the purpose of this course, let's keep it simple and use pip. And if you run into trouble, you need to search through it, and basically you will have a basic explanation how to how to install different libraries that might work in one system and not work with the other. However, most cases pip install gonna work fine for our course. So now we got our installer, Anaconda installer installed. We simply double click on it, and we will get an image or a window that shows like this window, and we simply put next, I agree, next. It's simply as installing anything like a game or anything. Of course, I already installed it, so I'm not going to install it again, but if you have a trouble, you just go through what's written in this documentation in the Anaconda website. Now, to install a library, you simply usually pip install the library name. So in case we want to install a library called Pillow, so pip install, and let's say, of course, you can see scikit-learn everything. For example, beautiful soup, something called beautiful soup. So we want this library, and then we need to now open Anaconda prompt, this one, and simply paste it and press enter. So for this one, I already have it installed, so or already satisfied. If you don't have it, it will install it. Now, if we want to open Jupyter Notebook, first we need to go to our change directory. We need to change our directory to our working directory. So we go to our working directory. I will just navigate to this directory, our working directory. And basically this is my working directory. So we put change directory, and we go through all of this link and we paste it here. This is my working directory. You press enter, and now I am in this working directory. So now I run Jupyter Notebook. I simply write Jupyter Notebook and make it a little bit clearer. Here, Jupyter Notebook, and you simply press enter, and it will open here Jupyter Notebook. In order to open a Jupyter Notebook file, you just press new in Jupyter Notebook, and you can start writing code. For example, print basically hello world. And shift enter to run the code. And now you have hello world got printed. Now you can also install libraries from Jupyter Notebook. So in order to do that, you take this one, you just again copy it and put explanation mark, as you can see here, explanation mark, and pip install, and then shift and enter. And now it's acting as Anaconda prompt. And here requirement or decertified, the same message we got from the Anaconda prompt.